Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we got a quick video showing you guys my monthly maintenance on my little PUR water filter. Now basically every time I replace my filter I go ahead and just give this good nice wash out, because even though it's only storing water in there, you still want to give it a good wash. It can start to develop pink slime or stuff like that over time, so I just like to prevent that all in the first place. So we're going to just need, the PUR water filter is going to be empty, broken down. We're going to take out the old filter, replace it with a new filter from this 4-pack that I found on Amazon. I'll put links to these filters if you have this exact model down below. And we're also going to use a nice fresh sponge for this. These are the Scrub Daddy Sponge Daddies. These are pretty good. I love these sponges. I've been using these exclusively for a while now. They don't sponsor me anything. If you want to, go ahead and hit up my email. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, these are pretty great. And we're going to go ahead and just get this baby nice and cleaned out. So I'm going to take you over to the sink and let's get started. So firstly, we're going to go ahead and remove our old filter. We've gotten a lot of life out of this baby. We're going to go ahead and just actually toss this, or you could recycle it somehow if you want to reuse it for something else. And this simply just breaks down. You can just pull out the top of this one. This is the 18 cup dispenser, I do believe. And I'll put links to this in the description too, because I know some people will ask about it. So this top just pops out, and you got the main tank. In the lid, we're just going to wash this out with just a few drops of some Dawn, let it get nice and sudsy, and we'll be good to go. So now we've just got it all set out to dry. Really only the outside needs to be dry, which I'll probably just do with a paper towel, because we're going to put water back on the inside anyways, so it doesn't matter if it's dry. So we got the bottom piece dried up. This piece is going to get water back on it anyways. Put that in with the filter hole towards the back of the dispenser. Then we're going to go ahead and get a new filter. Here's our new filter. We're going to go ahead and follow the instructions that you're supposed to follow on a new filter. So what you do for those is you soak it first for 15 minutes, and then you're going to flush it for 10 seconds just through the top here, and then you're good to go ahead and put it in here. So I'm going to go ahead and soak this for 15 minutes, and I'll be back with you. So now it's been 15 minutes. We got the filter all soaked and flushed out. We can just go ahead and drop it in there and lock it in and give it a turn clockwise until it's nice and locked in. Then all we need to do is fill this baby up, and with the snap of a finger, just like that, we're on our way to nice, fresh, PUR water. But as you can see there, we're getting a nice filter of some fresh water, and we're going to be hydrating really soon. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped you out, please smack the like button, smack the subscribe, turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Till next time, I will see you guys later. Peace out.